welcome to Endo 101 Part 2. We're going to talk about today about root canal treatment. So, first things first, access preparation. What do we want in an access? Conservation of tooth structure, deroof the chamber to expose the pulp horns, which is extremely important, and frequently asked questions during the exam. What's the whole purpose of the access preparation? Straight lined access for the files or endo treatment. You can start with a round burr and always use rubber dam. So please try to memorize this because it's a frequently asked question. And they're going to ask you in this way. What's the main purpose of the access preparation? Straight line access. So keep that in mind. Now we're going to talk about the shape of the access in the different kind of tooths. So incisors, they have a